I was 100% sure ukuthi siyaywina even ngamagoli amaninzi, more than 2 goals. Xa bendizama ukujonga umgangatho weKaizer Chiefs, ama-players wabo indlela abaslowly ngawo to compare nama-players wePirates indlela fast ngawo when it comes to speed. But ke wonke umuntu makuzodlala ibhola naye ufayithela ukuthi uzowina. Nabe befayithela ukuthi bawine ngoba bafuna ukugcina unumber 3, at the same time bafuna ukustopha thina ukuthi singayiwini league. So i-game plan yabo ispanile because ngoba apho nibona wasikhawatheke kakhulu i-injury kaMoremi kuye kwanyanzela ukuthi si-substitute. Ngokwami ukucinga ucoach mina benisithi xa kuphuma uMoremi uzofaka uNdaba kule ndawo kaMoremi, then apusha uDion Hot wayephambili to put more fire phambili. I-Kaizer Chiefs bingeke isenzene. As a result nangoku bahambe kulona lela side leli lika Dion Hot. uDion Hot ebe-overlaphile ephambili bashanga ecounter lapho. Vele bebehlele emva bedefendile besoyika ispeed sethu ngoba baza bekho mnandi kwispeed. Otherwise wona hayi badlalilo lamthuthu ndiyabavuyela badlalile. Thina kona hayi sikhathazekile benithina namhlanje ngizobe enjoy nje lamthuthu wami kahle yabo. Wow enjoy kahle lo lamthuthu. Enjoy only 4 points kule season kanti ngiqhela u6 points kulamthuthu.